Next Level Mindset bringing you another powerful and positive video. Top most important analytic on YouTube is your traffic sources. Where are our viewers coming from? A lot of us have viewership on Facebook. You may have Instagram. You may even have Twitter, now known as X, right? How can we get those viewers to come over to our YouTube channel? So what I've learned to do is promote my videos on other platforms. YouTube loves when we can bring people from different platforms to the YouTube system. They will enjoy that. They will promote your videos. The more you're able to bring other viewers from other platforms, the more you find your channel and your videos being promoted on the YouTube system. If you go to your analytics, you'll see where it says traffic sources. It will show you where your videos are coming from. Remember, Google owns YouTube. YouTube and Google are the two top most search engines on the internet. So a lot of people are going in, they're searching for different videos. You can get views through that. Maybe it's a recommendation, maybe it's search. Sometimes it's suggested in the algorithm on screen as a next video for your viewer to watch. Check this out right here. This is one of my shorts that I created. And as you can see, it showed up a certain percentage on the short shelf. Another place it showed up in browse. It even showed up in search. So check that out. Remember to look at your different traffic sources. That's going to reveal to you where you can probably post more. Maybe you might find that a lot of your views are coming from your Facebook page. That will encourage you and inspire you and really enlighten you to go ahead and use that platform more often. Maybe it's Instagram, maybe it's Twitter X. I like that, Twitter X. Maybe it's Twitter X. It could be LinkedIn. A lot of my videos come from LinkedIn. So that traffic source is so important. It'll let you know where to promote your videos for the best results. And maybe you're watching this right now and you've been on YouTube, but you really haven't been doing the thing. You really haven't been creating content, or maybe it's stagnant and you might just be ready to take your channel to the next level, maybe to get it back going again. I want to share this video with you right here, coming up on the screen, how to revive your channel, bring it back to life. I think that will be a great video for you to watch next. So check that out. Enjoy that. Thanks again to my subscribers and returning viewers, those who are funding the channel with your income. You keep the lights on here at Next Level. Hit the like button, share this on your way out. Subscribe if you haven't done that. Stay blessed, stay positive, never give up whatever you do. Until next time, I'll see you on the next level. Peace.